welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if you are new and you're joining me for the first time. Hello, welcome to the family. My name's Tara and I post makeup tutorials and all things beauty, and if that's something that you're interested in watching, then I'd really appreciate it if you'd click on that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time that I upload a new video. Today's video is super exciting and I'm so happy for her. Imagination has done another collaboration, and this time it is with Lottie London. And when I first saw the collection on Instagram, when she posted it up and said she was doing a collaboration, I thought, oh my god, I seriously need to have this in my collection. Now there are two collections, I think. There's a lighter one which is like a champagne-y kind of colour, which is called Pure, and then there's Loyalty, which is a little bit darker for my darker skinned girls and boys out there. So she has literally covered all the bases, and I got Pure because your girl is hella white, and I got it in this cute little packaging from Lottie London, and I think I only ordered it like Tuesday, I think, last week. I'm sure it was Tuesday, and I got it on Saturday. I really wanted to film for you guys on Saturday and literally just post it up there, but Tony went fishing and he took the camera and everything with him, so I wasn't able to do that. So let's just jump straight in because I really want to put this on my face. My face is hella bland at the minute, and this collection, I mean, sorry, Fly Away Central over here. What is this? What is this? I've literally just finished work, as I normally do, and if you are new to my channel, then I'm a full-time care assistant in a care home. So I've just done a 7-hour shift wearing this makeup without any highlighter, because this is all about the highlight, the shimmer, the goddess, which is Imogen. And I just want to say, if she is watching, if she does actually watch this video, then congratulations to you and pups. I absolutely think you guys are the most cutest couple on the planet, and I absolutely love you both, and congratulations on becoming engaged. And yeah, sending love to you both. And that was a little bit cringe, but Imagination loves a little bit cringe. So yeah, let's dive straight into this because my face has got no highlight on it, girl. Absolutely no highlight whatsoever, and your girl can't live a life without highlight. So my hair is just 10 times crazy today. Don't you just have that? Wash your hair in the morning and you just stick it up for work and you just can't be bothered to do anything with it. That is exactly how I feel today, and I'm blabbering. So in the collection you get 4 items. So the first product out of the collection I'm going to be using is this absolutely gorgeous quad highlighter, and this is the Ultra Glow highlighter, and these are cream highlighters, guys. So you've got Sugar, Angel, Prinny and Hun, and they're absolutely buttery and really soft and gentle. So I'm going to apply this by using my finger, and I think I'm going to be using Sugar, which is like the nice golden colour one. And I'm just going to use my finger and just dab that into like a C shape. It's pretty subtle, so it's not like a blinding highlight, but you can actually see it, and it's pretty nice. That is really pretty. I mean, it's not like a blinding highlight, it's more of a subtle highlight. So I'm going to just take that down the nose as well, and on the tip of my nose. Oh, now she's blinding. This is really pretty. I really like this. I've never actually used a cream highlighter before, so this is like a first for me. but I really like that. It's really pretty. The next product is the Ultra Glow Loose Highlighter. I've got mine in Pure, and this is like so this is like a champagne gold, like a champagne colour. So you have got the Lottie one for the darker skin tones. So I've never actually used a loose highlighter before, so let's pop this on my face. I'm using a brush from BH Cosmetics, and this is the number 5 brush. So I'm just going to dip my brush into the highlight, and then I'm going to tap it off into the lid, and then I'm just going to swirl it in a C shape. Ooh. Now I thought this was going to be like, you know, those highlights that have like glitter in them, because I'm not a fan of a glittery highlight, but this is absolutely stunning. It's like that wet look. It's like a wet look highlighter, which I absolutely am a massive fan of. Oh, I'm in love with that. I absolutely love that. I'm going to take that down the nose and on my Cupid's bow. Oh, girl, Imogen, I'm in love with this product that I'm absolutely like dying to use and put on my eyes. Is this little Ultra Glow metallic cream eyeshadow. When I put that on my hand and I swatched it, this is absolutely adorable, and it's got like little butterflies as well all around the lid, which I find absolutely adorable, and I'm obsessed with the packaging. I must say the packaging is an eye catcher for me. Anything that's pretty or glowing or sparkly, then I'm straight there and I put it in my basket. So let's pop this onto my eyes. Lid. I'm gonna do like a little cut crease, I think. Ooh, this is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I'm definitely wanting to do a full face of Lottie London makeup. This is absolutely beautiful. The pigment is beautiful. It doesn't look chunky either. You know, like sometimes when you have metallic-y, glittery eyeshadows like this, sometimes they become quite chunky and glittery, but this is just beautiful. It's really creamy and it's like distributing across the eye really, really well. What I'm going to do is get a fluffy brush and just go around the edges just so it all looks a little bit more seamless. I'm obsessed with that, guys. That is so pretty. I'm literally, I mean, this collection should have been like £25, and because it was Imogen's birthday the other day, I got it for £16, I think it was £16.95, something like that, and I'm absolutely obsessed with all of this collection. Last thing to do is the lip gloss. So this is the Ultra Glow glossed lip gloss, and I've got mine in B, which is the clear one. Oh my god, it smells like sweets. It smells really, really nice. So I'm just going to apply this straight onto the lips, of course. I love it that it's got an applicator, because sometimes I thought this was going to have one of those squeezy little tubes, just like a lip sol or something like that, but I'm so glad it's got an applicator.
I feel like I'm pulling those really awful, ugly faces, you know, when you put your lip gloss on, you're like, oh. I feel exactly like that right now.
This is the kind of gloss that I can get on board with. It is not sticky. It feels smooth on the lips. So this is definitely, this collection is absolutely beautiful. And like I say, the lip gloss is not sticky whatsoever. It feels really comfortable on the lips. I'm not really a lip gloss person, but this lip gloss is absolutely lovely, and it doesn't, like I say, it's not sticky. It doesn't feel like my lips are going to stick together. It doesn't feel all slimy, which I normally sometimes feel with lip gloss that they are. The eyes have literally set now, so they're not going anywhere, and they look beautiful, if I do say so myself. The highlight, oh my god, I knew that Imogen, if she brought out another highlighter, it was going to be phenomenal. I have got her Highlight to the Moon collaboration with Revolution, and I absolutely love that highlight. It's one of my favourites. So I think that this one might be my next favourite. Not gonna lie. So this is the end of the video, guys. If you did love this video, then please give it some love and show me a little thumbs up. It helps your girl out, helps out the channel. Also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, you know the drill with all of that. And until next time, guys, stay beautiful, and I love you always. Bye, guys.